The Focus is scheduled to be discontinued in 2025. But before its time runs out, Ford is providing enthusiasts with the ST Edition factory-tuned for both road and track performance. Available in select European markets, the Focus ST Edition incorporates chassis upgrades from the optional track pack, including an adjustable coilover suspension, Brembo brakes, and a host of other features for enhanced driving dynamics. The new model boasts the RS-style Azura blue shade, complemented by high-gloss black accents. It maintains the same multi-spoke 19-inch alloys. The standout feature of the ST Edition is its two-way adjustable coilover suspension, crafted by KW Automotive and fine-tuned by Ford Performance at the Nürburgring. The suspension features twin-tube stainless steel damper housings and powder-coated springs, which are over 50% stiffer than those found on the standard Focus ST. There are no upgrades to the turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, which maintains its output of 276 horsepower and 420 Newton-meter of torque. Power is exclusively transmitted to the front axle via a 6-speed manual gearbox, aided by an electronic limited-slip differential. The interior combines black leather and Alcantara with white stripes and motion blue stitching on the bucket seats, steering wheel, and floor mats. The Ford Focus ST Edition hatchback is already available to order in selected European markets, priced from $54,505.